Hi everyone, have you ever seen apartments or houses where the light fixtures just had only bulbs? Well, if not, I can tell you, in this apartment I'm at right now, half of the fixtures didn't have plafonds. Like in the closet, like in the bedroom. Fortunately, this one has plafonds. Now, I want to show you today the reasons these plafonds were absent and hope that you will avoid these disasters in the future. Let's go for it. So of course the main reason the plafonds are missing is because they're broken. It could be someone playing with something and just hit them. But one of the main reasons is over tightening the securing screws. And that's what we want to avoid. So this is a good example. This is the ceiling fan with the light fixture, and it has a very brittle plafond. And this one doesn't have a good bulb. In fact, there is no bulb here. So today we're gonna take it out, put a new bulb, put it on, and I'll show you all the steps. So the first thing is you want to have a stable ground to stay on. For me, I'm using this bench. And so far I found this bench to be the best one if you want to work on something around the ceiling. If you don't have the bench, you can use a ladder, a step ladder. Don't use buckets. If you have a chair, be careful with the chairs. They're not that stable when you stay on them. Just be cautious about your own safety. Now next, in the most plafonds, you will find a couple of screws or bolts that hold them. And I haven't seen many with the gaskets. So that means if you tighten them and you feel resistance, that's the plafond and the glass that's resisting your screw, and you do not want to over tighten. So the first thing first, if you want to take it out and change the bulb, you can use the screwdriver, but before you do, try with your hands. So in my case, you just untighten counterclockwise. So use your hands, okay? And just look. You don't want to take out all the screws. Just unscrew them to the point where you can take the plafond, like that. Okay, so once you take it out, let me show you. So you see, it's just the pure glass. So all the screws, they get into it. So once you put it back, just make sure first use your fingers. Don't use screwdriver, and do not use impact driver, because you do not want to over tighten and just damage it, because when you damage it, it will be expensive. Now heavier bulb. Use either nitrile rubber gloves or kind of these fabric gloves. You do not want to have any oil or any touches on the surface of the bulb. Before you do it, make sure there is no electricity going on, and you can turn off the breaker as well. Strongly suggest you. This is pretty straightforward. So just install the bulb. Make sure it's secure, but do not over tighten. One important thing, if you have a dimmers, make sure you install the dimmable bulb. Otherwise it's gonna flicker and it's not gonna work. Now go switch on your breaker and switch on the light. Test it before you install the plafond. Alright, so the bulb is fine. What you want to do next? Most likely the plafond that you are installing back is dirty, like this one. And the main problem with that is it's going to reduce the brightness. So instead of, let's say, 800 lumens that this bulb gives, you're gonna get less. 700, 600, really depends how dirty the plafond is. So take this one, have some baby wipes, or just anything works, towel, and wipe it out. And don't forget to check the plafond inside, because inside it might be dirty as well. Okay, now we have crystal clean plafond. Could be a little bit wet, so make sure you have a towel. I don't have a towel, so Next thing, you want to put it back. When you put it back, be very careful. Start tightening the screws, not one entirely, but everything. Also, I have 3 screws, one halfway, then another halfway. Very important, the moment you feel resistance, stop. It's not gonna go anywhere, especially that in most cases you will have 3 screws or 3 bolts. Again, check it again. Looks good. Now, go and test it. So that's how you change the bulb in the ceiling fixture fan, and that's how you take care of the plafond. Thanks for watching. As usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers!